episode. I'm gonna be chewing a piece of gum in this video, so I'm gonna bust that out now. We got that watermelon flavor, it's so tasty. So we're gonna be talking about some trades that I have on now, as well as some things I'm looking at. I did buy something today. Not entirely convicted on it, but I'll let you guys know. Let's take a look at the big markets real quick. Bitcoin, we're almost at 50K. Actually, today it did touch 50,000. Wow. Huge day. I think 50,000 would be a big psychological level. So, like about here, probably fall back to like something down here. Maybe it'll touch this, just randomly. Not randomly, but just putting my 2 cents on it. Maybe it'll come down to there, then go higher. I don't really see any reason to stop this. The people that are buying it don't intend on really selling it, in my opinion. So I would expect the price to go higher. Gold's down 1.57%. Jeez, what happened? Okay, so gotta hold that 1800 level. I got too much money in this, or too much money in gold miners to have this fall. I know KL. Jeez, why is it dropping? Earnings are coming up 25th. I think NEM earnings tomorrow. No, the 18th, so 2 days. Stressful, but it's whatever. Silver's doing quite well though. It's all 27 bucks. Had a big pop in the morning, then it dropped down. The market is yeah, the market's still open. Why? Is it still open? I'm confused. Why is this line here? Oh, well, the market's still open though. It's like 240, 246 right now. Let's see what else. AMD was the one trade we have. This was a line that I deemed necessary, important, significant back from here. It kind of just barely touched it today. No, it touched it yesterday, or I guess Friday. And today it couldn't get up, so sold off. Where's this thing? Yeah, unusual option. Can you guys see this? Hold on 1 second. Oh, you guys can't. Okay. Anyway, there's a thing right here. If I show it, it will. I have to change the recordings, so it will mess with the audio. It's a pain in the neck. Basically, there's a lot of bullish calls. Strike price at $100. 1,069 of those calls were purchased, I guess. So, actually, expiration date. Let me check that real quick. Expiration date March 19th, 2021. So someone's betting pretty big that AMD is gonna go up to 100 bucks. That's where I'm predicting it will go as well. Let's see, that's 15. That's still like 50 days away. So a lot could happen, but I don't know if I'm willing to bet that long for it to get to 100, but we'll see. That's kind of the play. If there was a pullback point, I would anticipate it would be at this, or I anticipated when I purchased this, it would be at the $94, just because of all this candle activity. These selling wicks, 1, 2, kind of 2, but 3, 4, 5, 6, so much selling, so we gotta get past these sellers to shoot up, but hang in there. Ticker DD, DuPont de Moors. They're like a chemical company. They had, from earnings back here. Guess we should go to a bigger time frame. Earnings back here, they did really well. They shot up like 50%, and then they had a big rollback to this earnings. And supposedly they did pretty good earnings. They had a big pullback. I think this was like 18%. Fading volume as well. I'm not super convicted it's gonna break out, but I'm betting it's gonna break out. If it falls down to about 68 bucks, maybe I'll add some more. But anything below this, I'm not gonna wait too long just to get out and cut the trade, but maybe we'll try to ride it up back to 86, 87. given like a month or two time frame, not entirely sure. Just gonna see what happens right now. My average price is 71.95. I said 71.47, so I'm down a little bit, but let's just see what happens. I was watching this for a while. I don't think I really mentioned it too much in my past videos because it's not like something I really want to trade, but something's telling me like, hey, get in this, just get in it, see what happens. So just gonna listen to that little gut feeling. Disney's kind of falling a little bit today, about 1%. Actually, I guess it hit that little trend line. JP Morgan. This is a great trade. Average price 129.60. So think about here, about 11-12% gain right now. Gonna try to ride it to at least 150. Maybe more. Like really good trade. I have a big, not a big position, but a pretty larger position compared to my other, like AMD's like half the position size as JP Morgan. Yeah, that's accurate. And this trade actually worked, so KL's getting smoked. It's very sad. Mag's doing kind of well, I guess. Just hanging in there. Verizon trade not doing too hot. I'm down. I think probably 2 or 3%. Yeah, like 2%. Exxon, all of the like oil, gas, commodities are up so much today. Yeah, crazy. We're up like 39 bucks, 30%. Exxon, crazy. As did Cell SM Energy. It's up another 9, almost 10% today. So kind of feels bad. I don't. It's been such a big run up. I feel like there's gonna be a big pullback, and maybe there won't be. But I want just to lock in my profits. Maybe that's dumb because the upside is so large. But tomorrow after market they have earnings, so we'll see. We'll have a better idea of what's happening. I'm obviously hoping it pulls back significantly, but I don't know. Like that's 50% pullback. It's been on a tear. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Oh yeah. Let's just go down the list because I couldn't keep missing stuff. I'm all out of AG right now. Just decided to lock in the profits, whatever. CCJ, Cameo Corp, the uranium company. Uranium prices have also been kind of exploding recently, as you can tell by this mining company. Or I think they're mining, I forgot exactly, but they do something with uranium. Definitely, I want to buy some of this. I've been saying this for a while. Like even around here, I wanted it to pull back to like here, it never did. So now it's up 20 more percent. The last like 10 days, debating starting a position. I don't know. I just hate buying stuff when it's like here's earnings. I don't want to buy something up 70% earnings. I mean, there's the earnings too, so they didn't even tank, so they're on, I guess, kind of track. Upside of this could be pretty big because of recent uranium or past uranium prices. So these are monthly candles. It's in that like breakout period, right? So like, if it pulls back to like 13, that'd be really ideal. But like that would be cool. Is it gonna do that? I don't know. That's why this key level right here, because of all this activity back here. So I gotta make a move. Like, am I gonna never enter this position, or am I just gonna enter at prices I don't really care about too much, and then hopefully it ride the wave, and you know. So I'm taking on more risk by buying at these higher prices. But like if I just did it before, you know, like down here, like we'd already be up like a significant amount. So it's just what kind of game do you want to play? So I think I have to get in soon. Yeah, because even if it falls, I'll just buy some more. It'll be bad, like right, like I'll be down like 20% maybe at a key level, but at least I'll be in the position in case it runs up. DD we entered. eBay. I don't really want to watch eBay anymore. ELY. I think they kind of missed earnings. They're down. commodities about 11%. I think someone who's subscribed to the channel wanted me to watch that. Ford, I'm not gonna watch anymore. It actually didn't, it had that bounce, but kind of fading now. I thought it would kind of run up to like 16 bucks. Southwest, facing some heavy resistance at this level. The NXC, another uranium company. Pinterest is up a good amount. Dave and Buster's. I still am hoping we get to see that move down to 30 bucks. That'd be great, but yeah, gotta keep watching. Palantir, I forgot how to pronounce it. PLTR got kind of smoked on earnings today. I think today, right? Yeah, down 11%. If the opportunity presents itself at 25 bucks, a lot of support activity. We got, candle here, we got a breakout here, candle, very bearish candle here though, but then shoot above, candle, kind of a fade down, but then buy back up. A lot of activity. I think it might hold here, so keep an eye on it. Oh wow, Papa John's is down 5%. Really interesting, actually. What happened? No news, I see. The cup and handle, the shoot up, yeah, but what happened here? That's big. That's unfortunate. RRC is like another commodities company. SM, yeah, I think I talked about this before, but yeah, it's up 10%. I sold it all, but it's whatever, 7% or 7% down. SPCE, Virgin Galactic. It's pretty high up there, honestly, right now. Like, I did say we were gonna try to get a retest down to like at least this, but look at that jump, that's crazy. Smith and Weston. I love when like stocks do this, right? Like, it just like almost touches this key level, right, and then just fades down. Like, that's not a coincidence. It's fascinating. And that key level was back. Let's see. I guess all these candles. It's not super accurate, actually. I guess. Yeah, it's just interesting how the behavior of certain prices. Tesla's down 2%. Alright, TTNB. Someone wanted me to look at this. I probably would never trade this just because, well, they had a 1-to-6 split. January 24th, 2019, they had a 1-to-30 split. Like, that's not the direction you want to see splits. Like, in this company, wow. I mean, I don't know exactly, but, like, it's basically down like 99% since 2009. I mean, like, yeah, you could probably make some money on this, but this isn't something that I would really touch. Because it could get burned real hard, right? Maybe they do have a big turnaround story, but they're probably not getting back to like these super high levels anytime soon. So they basically split 36 times, or is that how it worked? I forgot. Do you multiply it or just add it? One sec. My brain is not working right now. But I almost assume you multiply it, because if you split in half, then you split in half again. I guess if you split in a fourth, then you split in half. Yeah, you would multiply it, so this actually had a 1 in like 80s. Is that right? I don't know. Forget everything I just said. Uber had earnings. The EPS estimates and the actual seem to be aligned. Let's see. All of these natural resource companies are crazy right now. BHP up 8%. BPT was up, I guess, what is that even? Like 26%, but now it's up 15. CCJ, I guess CNX up 6%. MCF oil, or contango oil gas, 13%. A lot of stuff's moving. I kind of wish, you know, like, I don't get why I do this. Like, I have ideas. I'm like, yeah, like, top into some natural resource stuff, or commodities, not natural resource, commodity stocks, like, back here, you know, and I just never do. Then they run up really high, and it's like, oh, I mean, I guess I did buy SM Energy and, you know, more ExxonMobil, but at the same time, like, it's not like in, I guess Exxon is, but the SM Energy stock trade was like 120, or yeah, I guess like 110% like increase. But my position was small, where it didn't really move the portfolio as much like I wish it did. So let's see what else is moving today. iRobot's down like 10% off earnings. Okay. ACB. Organos X US Steel. Got kind of a nice pop today. Why did pop? Let's see. US Steel commits to disability inclusion by joining the valuable 500. Okay. I think just all commodities are up anyway, so that reminds me, let's check the futures. Got the USD. Not looking too hot. Should be good for gold, but there's crude. Crude is basically back where it was before the crash. Almost. So I think one of the things Exxon and I guess a lot of other companies, but ExxonMobil, they need like $60 crude to be super sustainable, or not sustainable, but have that profit margin. So very, very healthy. This is light sweet crude, still 60 bucks. The futures are, at least. The S&P Mini, gold futures, we looked at that. We're looking at weekly candles. Copper futures, jeez, almost at 4 bucks. Let's draw some lines of significance real quick. I guess it doesn't really matter. Let's keep going through this. I want to check out FCX. Yeah, let's actually look at that right now. FCX. Did have that big pullback. I wasn't really watching this too closely, but I'm surprised it didn't touch this, you know? Jeez. Got silver futures. The mini Dow Jones, that it. NQ'd. Natural gas. Natural gas is so, like, historically, this is data from 1996. Like, we're literally in these low channels. I mean, I guess, like, 440, 450 is the high of the channel. This is not an outlier, but it's just a little bit of, like, this is kind of an outlier, but this is a good move. You see how it just spiked really fast and shot down? I'm not sure what happened there. I still think we got some room in natural gas. Maybe it's at 30%. At least to touch this line, yeah, like 30%, maybe 20. Okay. I like to look at these commodities, I like to look at commodities and then find stocks that reflect or produce the commodities, because it just makes sense to me. But yeah, this kind of looks like a cup and handle, right? Not perfect, but you know, got a little bowl. Maybe we'll touch right here, right? Go down and go up. Probably, but probably not. I don't know. It kind of looks like a cup and handle. I haven't been seeing any like ascending triangle patterns lately, like at all actually, and I've been trying to find them, you know. bucks. I like this mine or gold royalty company. Kind of forming a little pennant. It's been for a while, but I don't think this is actually a pennant, right? Because it like kind of broke out, but not really. No volume. I don't know. Alright, I think I'm gonna wrap this video up. Just talk about AMD one more time real quick. If AMD starts to get to like 89 bucks, I might just dump it for like a like 1% gain. I don't feel like taking a loss. But hopefully it shoots above. If it hangs around these prices, I think that's fine for me. Yeah, maybe I'll take a small profit then if it falls back to like below here or something. Maybe I'll, but if AMD like starts to fall back to here and I'm out of the position, maybe I'll pick it back up. You know, I'll see what happens. But yeah, I like to play things like, or I like to be adaptable and flexible. But I know you guys like probably like to hear what I have to say, so I'm not just doing random things. But yeah, JP Morgan's been killing it, so keep running that, milking it. So anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. I'll talk to you guys in a couple days, maybe tomorrow actually, because I think I'm off again. So, alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you.